In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to voice channels on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring friends or teammates into the same conversation quickly and confidently using the built-in invite option right inside the voice channel. Start by joining a voice channel in your server. Voice channels are listed in the server's channel list, usually under a section labeled Voice Channels. Click the one you want to use and make sure you're fully connected. You'll know you're in when you see your profile avatar appear in the channel's participant area and you can see the voice controls. If your mic or headphones need adjusting, do that now so everything is set before you bring others in. Once you're inside the voice channel, look for the invite icon. It's the one that looks like a small person with a plus sign. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the top right of the voice panel or alongside the list of people already in the call. On mobile, it's usually near the participant list when you're viewing the voice controls. The key is to look for that person plus symbol. That's your shortcut to inviting people directly to the channel you're in. Click the invite icon. A window will pop up showing members from your server and, in many cases, your friends list. This panel is designed to help you invite the right people fast, and it often includes a search bar so you can type a name if you don't immediately see who you need. Select the server member you want to bring into the conversation. Just click their name in the list. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct person, especially if there are similar usernames in your server. Now, click Invite. Discord will send them a prompt to join the exact voice channel you're in. They'll receive a notification and can hop in with a single click. If they accept, you'll see them appear in the participant list, and you can start talking right away. If you don't see the invite icon, you may be viewing a minimized interface, or you might not have the necessary permissions in that server's voice channels. In that case, check your view or ask a server moderator to confirm your access. Also, if someone can't join, it could be because the channel is full or their device settings need a quick check. That's all there is to it. Join the voice channel, click the person plus icon, pick the member you want, and hit invite. Simple, fast, and perfect for getting everyone in the same place without any confusion.